Well, the temperatures in the next few days are certainly going to make us feel a lot more wintry, as it looks like we're about to really enter that period now. Today's high temperatures, though, were 12 degrees at Wareham in Dorset, also 12 degrees in many other locations in the south and southwest of the country, including on the Scilly Isles. Low temperatures fell to -5 at Cairngorm on the summit though, -4 at Inchby and -3 at Annaghmore. Some snow overnight for some parts of the Scottish Highlands and the northeast. And looking ahead at the current watches and warnings, well, here they are right now, mainly advising for cold weather and some more winter weather possibly in Aberdeenshire and through the Cairngorm region. Also some flood watches and one flood warning in Lincolnshire, I think. Well, over the next few hours we'll see precipitation on and off for many locations, but the area really to look at is the northeast of Scotland, where temperatures will be dropping to about -2 degrees and some snow overnight for some higher ground. Winds will be generally calm, a little bit breezy along the east coast and southeast of England. Looking through Tuesday then, it'll be a mostly clear day for many areas, apart from the peripherals, coastlines really. In parts of Scotland there, once again, temperatures will be higher, so it looks like it'll be mainly rain for the northeastern tips there, but inland we could still see a little bit of snow on the hills. Looking further south towards western Scotland, it might get a little bit rainy there as well on some of the outer islands, and also for the Isle of Man and parts of Northern Ireland as well. But temperatures still remaining okay, up to about 8 degrees Celsius in Ireland, but a little bit chillier in England and Wales, with maximums there of only 7 or 8 as well, some locations not getting that high. These are the absolute maximums, and maybe a little bit of rain for the peripherals of Wales and the southwest of England as well, where it would be just a tad milder, although obviously wetter. But a clear day, which will obviously be enjoyed by many there, without any rain throwing things out of kilter on Tuesday. And once again, looking at the wind pattern, well, it's going to be a calm day for most locations, but it will be getting breezy along the east coast with a little extratropical system out there in the North Sea. So, all change on the way when we get through towards Wednesday, and overnight it's going to be a very cold one with some bands moving in from the north as well, which could provide some snow and wintry showers in the northeast, maybe even into England in some spots, with lows down to -5 in northern Scotland. During Wednesday itself, there's a lot more precipitation falling here as well, so some more snow possible, but it will still be rain for large parts of certainly inhabited areas and populated areas, with maximum temperatures of 5 degrees. But certainly looking towards the western Highlands there, barely getting above freezing at all, and further south across the central belt, temperatures only getting to 1 or 2 degrees, but we're not expecting much precipitation if any. Across the Republic of Ireland, high temperatures of 6 degrees there, a little bit of rain creeping in from the west. Across England and Wales it's still mostly dry and sunnier, especially further east and in the northwest of England, where temperatures will be struggling even more, only reaching maximums of 5, 6 under cloud in the southwest, and maybe a little bit drizzly at times. So quite a similar story there across the 2 days across England and Wales. As far as winds are concerned, well, it's still fairly calm, a little bit windier further north as a little cyclone pushes through there as well across the northern tips of Scotland, could get towards gale force at times. Through the night, Wednesday into Thursday then, more precipitation moving in from the northeast, and once again an extremely cold night, down to -5 in parts of Scotland, and most areas across the whole British Isles falling below freezing, -2 in large parts of England. And on Thursday, we're looking at more of that as well. Cool air there, only maximums of 3 degrees, so certainly the possibility for wintry showers in some of these areas, especially towards the southeast of England, would you believe, but also further north as well, a little bit drizzly, and that could be wintry, but I expect that most populated areas in the cities will have it as rain. That's all for now, and I'm sure we'll have more to talk about as this event progresses.